Guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you, where we always smiling. Like literally right now I'm a bit nervous because I have to pick up my mommy from 6 Mile. Guys, I don't even know where 6 Mile is. So. And guess what, you can't even find it on Google Maps, so I don't know, but I know I'm gonna find her anyway. I know where 3 Mile is, but not 6 Mile, so I'm just heading there really quick. Today is New Year's Eve, so it's Vlogmas Day 24. I haven't been vlogging because, you know, I don't really have the time to vlog at the moment. Well, I could vlog, but isn't me more important things to do in the season at the moment. But today we're gonna be going to church, hopefully, and then we should be touching an event. So that's pretty much what's gonna be happening in this vlog, or maybe the vlog after. Guys, we actually find 6 Mile. I know my pass this every day. Find my mother. Guys, that dog is the original cappuccino. I stole the name from this capo. Mommy sabotage him. Mommy later. Alright guys, right now your boy is at Little Market. I try to pick up some sorrel and some cups to the church, but I don't see no sorrel here. Like sorrel done. This is New Year's Eve, so how many people didn't buy the sorrel? I don't know. Wait, I lie, man. I can see the sorrel. I can see some sorrel. I think they buy the country style ones, so the one that they buy. Alright. Get one of those, and I think it's this size. This one here, 1.5 liters. Alright, we got it. Matter of fact, I think I'm wrong, guys. I think they wanted true juice. God damn it. Alright, so I just called to confirm with Judah, and it is true juice, so picking up one of that. And non-alcoholic with ginger. Alright. I think in my sorrel video I was telling you I'm not sure which one it is that Island Grill carries, so I'm gonna actually taste this one at church and let you guys know if this one is the one I'm talking about. Alright guys, so the supermarket is pretty productive, but it's not like a lot of people here, but it's more busy than normal. And yeah, you guys can get a general idea how many people are here. Alright guys, so it's definitely a lot of church people out in there today. Well, of course today's a Sunday, so, and who never normally go church today, I go church today. Okay, no, so you have to get safe Christmas Eve. But pretty much, yeah, I'm just heading to the car real quick, and then the next time you guys see me, I should be at church. Guys, we're at church. And Judah brother try to think worst. Christmas for me. Guys, look at my wife hot. Look at my wife hot. Guys, so Judah and I are going to sing. That's what we're going to be doing. I'm nervous. I gotta do it for Jesus.
And this is your declaration. Was such that.
So guys, church was pretty good. We had like a small talent show and whatever there, and I remember at one point Mama, she came up this lady in the church, and she was like, she started like talking about people in the church, but in a dub poetry in a very cool way. And she's like, the man with the golden crown. Bruh. But she was saying something like some king or whatever. At least she thought I was a king. That was really cool. But yeah, pretty much at the end of church, I don't know what we go to now. For me personally, I'm really hungry, so I don't know, but wherever we go, I'm gonna show you, definitely.
What? Say to the vlog.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I know you guys like seeing Destiny, kind of such a cute, but yeah. Thanks, man. You guys know my dad hardware. I try to find Judah out. I found her really quick. So I know where the beautiful ladies are, man. That hardware. Yeah, trying to get some stuff. That's my favorite place, the hardware. Guys, it was a good day at service. Hey, girlfriend.
Listen, we'll talk about this.
What you tell her about? Huh?
Back up from my man, okay? Okay? Stay in your lane. They have a lot of body suits in here.
Guys, have to hold on for the car. Too much shit, look at what it is I try for it. You see me? Snack. The next one? You get nervous when you vlog and I want to see you, babes. Hmm? This is so freaking cool.
Try to take the baby fever or something off there now.
Baby shoes.
I ain't got no baby fever.
That's a boy baby.
What the?
Yeah.
I can go?
Auntie don't
So I can go?
Excuse me?
Yes, you.
So I must stay.
Yes, this.
Excuse me?
Daddy. I said that's you.
Excuse me, please?
That's you. I said I'm done.
So Judah just give me her order her favorite. And if it tastes good, she could tell me I'm me, boss your dog. So that being right now really quick. Christmas dinner type of thing about the share play of food.
Auntie, I love it. Love it. Take a spin. Let me see it. Oh, see what? How are you doing? Look on the pen. Look on this.
Party, we said Kozmos. We're about to get to Kozmos, guys. The party is at like what time? 10 o'clock?
It ends
at 10.
So sorry.
It ends at 10 p.m. and what time is it now?
I don't know.
Let me tell you.
Let us know. 10.
10:23.
It's 10:23. So we'll close the party. We're a cleanup crew. I'll go there. Make everything clean. Is me, but the girls are here. You know, me as always. Oh, the crew coming out. Oh! And Devin, go show you what I'm coming.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, you're crazy. But yeah, this is such a party. This probably might be my, I don't know, only party for me at the end of the year. I don't even know. But yeah, just here chilling, guys.
Alright, ready, guys? On the 31st.
Wow, I'm gonna
So that's where it's happening. Everybody's gonna be there. What's
like,
the 31st? So we just do a bag of things in money.
You got money for 31st, babe?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
No, we're going to church, baby. Okay.
Alright.
Alright, ready, guys? Hold on, Steve. Give me a quick thingy.
Oh, this lighting though.
Gang. I don't know what sign that was.
I didn't even know either. We just have to take a soap up and one girl act a fool.
What's wrong with that?
She wanna fight. No one sit down.
No, don't pop it.
young and I'm rich. I'm 24 and I'm young and I'm rich. What's that number? 298 Around the clock, 24 years old, young and rich.
If you're sure, there's a real girl is now, you're almost like Captain Air. Now every girl is now when you roll out, and you're really girl then. Let's go.
Chromatic, sir. They would have never green now, be no junction. You're not underpants, oh no. They get you when they go pro. They got them away from the green burger. I you see the shit get the money, I know. Wow, they don't like that, I know. Romantic, be a girl a shot down. Tell us how fresh when you date with. Romantic, be a girl a shot down. Tell us how fresh when you date with. Them full eyes, in the feeling breeze. Romantic, be a girl a swan like bees. Big boy chain, them yellow like bees. When I say, it a must be a season.
Running up money and spend. Running back, dog, and the black one brand new friend. So the golden kills with the cocky dog, so the dog. Sing it on.
I don't think I'm appropriate.
You look good, man. Guys, you watch the vlogs that you get nervous. Don't stop, let it slide. Wag it, wag it, wag it. Wag it, wag it, wag it. Wag it, wag it, wag it. I'm sure I can't do it. What a sit down, sit down. Come.
No lie.